Hi there, my name is Shannon Allen. I'm the founder of Aroma Boutique, and I just want to personally thank you for choosing our bath rituals as a tool to help you release any tension you may be feeling, help you get grounded and centered so that you leave the bath or your shower feeling restored. Each of our bath rituals will have a base mixture of pink Himalayan salt and Epsom salts. Pink Himalayan salts are highly anti-inflammatory, meaning they will help calm any inflammation that you may be feeling in your body or your skin. This salt is also fabulous for drawing in moisture deeper into your skin. Epsom salts are a wonderful tool for exfoliation. The salts will help you naturally exfoliate and slush off all of that dead, dry skin. The release bath ritual contains frankincense, fig, and myrrh. Now, frankincense will enable one to let go and is also a wonderful oil for that spiritual support you may be needing. It encourages meditation and is a great oil for guided meditations when you're in search of some space and tranquility. Myrrh creates a nourishing and comforting ambiance. It helps you feel comforted and also soothes any inflammation you may be having. Fig is a fragrance oil and simply just smells fabulous and combines really well with frankincense and myrrh to create a all-encompassing, relaxing bath ritual. So may you soak and enjoy and release anything that you're holding on to. Down in the video notes, you will see a link for Insight Timer. I have paired up different meditations that I think work wonderful with each bath ritual. So go ahead, soak, plug into a wonderful meditation and take a moment to clear your mind so that you are ready for your day or ready for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy.